What's up, guys? So I'm trying to do the Apple CarPlay jumper hack. When you get into here, this is actually right there, and this plug is up underneath this thing, so you don't see it. The only one you see is this guy. That's not the one. You need this one. Now, I bought the Apple CarPlay jumper. It is not working, and inside here on the outside of this ring, it doesn't go in deep enough, so it won't clip in to that little tip right there. So I pulled it apart, try to figure out why, and the only thing I can think of is there's a plastic ring down in between this little gap inside here. There's a little plastic part I believe that's stopping it from going in and hitting on the edge here. So it doesn't go in deep enough, so it's not making contact. I'll leave a link. This guy's using the wrong connectors. So we throw that away, and I used a Spade connector and just jumpered the two. So we got heat shrink on it. So a jumper the second pin and the third pin, and now I've got an Apple CarPlay. So you don't need the connector. Just use a Spade connector. Slide it on. It's pretty tight. And then put your little waterproofer back on, and that will hold it from coming out anyway. And there you go. Now you don't have no weird jumper sticking out of this thing, and it still looks factory. So Apple CarPlay now works, but I'm using my phone to record this, so I can't show you. But yeah, couldn't figure out why I couldn't get it to work. Thought maybe Harley flashed it or something at the factory or some crap, and come to find out that thing wasn't going all the way in and clipping in, so it isn't going in deep enough, contacting those two pins. So if you guys run into that, that's an easy fix. You don't even need the jumper. Screw the jumper. Don't waste your money on the internet. Get you a little Spade connector for wire, cut it off so that it's real, about 1/4 inch long, slide it on there, boom, you got Apple CarPlay. Put your little waterproofer back on, and there you go. It's a 2022 Road Glide, guys. So just thought I'd throw that out there.